Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
We specialize in making coffee makers that fit your hand and your lifestyle. The Pipamoka is a great example, designed to start your day anywhere. This simple yet powerful pressure coffee maker uses a unique twist mechanism to create vacuum pressure right inside the cup. Using the Pipamoka is easy. Just unscrew the cartridge, remove the lid, brush, spoon, funnel, and filter basket from the Pipamoka. Remove the lid from the filter basket and place the funnel on top. Add 2 scoops of ground coffee to the filter basket. Remove the funnel and replace the lid on the filter basket. Pour boiling water into the water tank up to the 1 cup mark. Carefully lower the filter basket into the water tank and let it sink to the bottom for 40 seconds. Gently tap the bottom of the cup to release any air trapped in the filter basket. Replace the lid on the water tank and turn the control dial clockwise, then counterclockwise to start the brew. Once the water reservoir is full, carefully remove the reservoir from the mug. Use the included lid to keep your coffee hot for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy freshly brewed coffee straight from the mug, no matter where your day takes you. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, an avid fisher, or someone who packs their own lunch for work, Fun Backpack Cooler can enhance your experience. Focus on what you love without worrying about spoiled food or lukewarm beverages. With an impressive 20-hour cooling capacity, this insulated backpack cooler provides a generous storage space for up to 30 cans. Its 2 insulated storage compartments ensure that both your food and drinks stay cold throughout the day. The cooler also features front and side pockets for added convenience. Crafted with a 5-layer fabric, it offers durability and insulation. Padded straps and back support provide comfort and support, especially when carrying a heavy load. But that's not all. This cooler bag comes with extra features, including a built-in beer bottle opener and a flexible strap for a beach or picnic mat, adding to your overall convenience. So have fun in the great outdoors without worrying about the detail. At just $20, this affordable and practical investment is a must-have for your adventures. Unleash the ultimate audio experience on the go with the BolaButty Bluetooth speaker. Immerse yourself in powerful, well-balanced HD sound thanks to its dual drivers and cutting-edge technology. Connect 2 speakers for a truly immersive stereo experience, perfect for gaming, music, and movies. Engineered for durability, this IPX5 rated speaker is tough and weather-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, parties, or any gathering. Enjoy up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge and experience seamless connectivity with an extended Bluetooth 5.3 range of up to 100 feet. Set the mood with customizable multicolor lights that sync to the beat of your music, or turn them off to conserve battery. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, and an aux jack provides additional connectivity options. The BolaButty Bluetooth speaker comes complete with a waterproof speaker, a Type-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and lifetime technical support, ensuring a worry-free experience. Elevate your sound experience and enjoy the freedom of portable, high-quality audio with the BolaButty Bluetooth speaker. A game-changing invention that makes starting a fire effortless, anytime, anywhere. Designed to seamlessly attach to your Victorinox Swiss Army knife, this lightweight fire starter is an essential addition to your outdoor gear. FireAnt. Once you experience the FireAnt's capabilities, you'll quickly appreciate its convenience and reliability. This innovative product represents a leap forward in fire starting technology, allowing you to ignite countless fires with a single tinder. What sets the FireAnt apart is its complete waterproofing, making it one of the most dependable fire sources even in wet conditions. Additionally, its glow-in-the-dark feature makes finding your knife at night a breeze, especially useful when starting a fire in low-light environment. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a casual camper, the FireAnt is a tool you can trust to keep you warm and safe in the wilderness. Say goodbye to struggling with tent poles and tangled guy lines. With its instant pop-up technology, the Bushnell Insta Pop-Up Tent allows you to pitch your shelter in under a minute, leaving you more time to enjoy the great outdoors. Built to last, this tent features durable 210 denier fabric walls and a 300 denier floor, ensuring it withstands the element. Large windows, a 50/50 no-seam mesh door, and wall panels maximize airflow, keeping you comfortable even on warm nights. The dome-like design, along with outward-bending frame poles, creates generous interior space with an impressive 6 inches of headroom, allowing you to stand comfortably inside. Ready for any weather, the tent includes a rainfly and fully taped waterproof seams. An integrated electrical port adds convenience, allowing you to power your devices while keeping bugs and the elements out. Priced at $529, the Bushnell Insta Pop-Up Tent is the ideal choice for campers seeking a premium, hassle-free shelter. When facing emergency situations, especially as a first responder, having professional-grade survival equipment is crucial. The Uncharted Supply Co. 72 Pro 2-person survival system is specifically designed with first responders in mind, offering upgraded materials and additional tools for enhanced preparedness. This survival system includes a waterproof tarpaulin situated on a soft frame harness with redesigned shoulder and straps, ensuring comfortable and efficient carrying throughout the day. It features a comprehensive array of survival gear for 2 people, including a full tang knife, anti-fog ski goggles, upgraded first aid kit, metal water bottle, and more. With step-by-step survival instructions screen-printed onto the insert, users are equipped with essential techniques for fire building, administering first aid, and staying warm. This system has been meticulously crafted to provide 72 hours of supplies for 2 individuals, making it an indispensable asset in emergency situations. Whether facing natural disasters or unforeseen challenges, the 72 Pro ensures readiness and peace of mind for first responders and adventurers alike. Who says you have to prepare uncooked food on a stick when camping by the lake? With this functional cook set, you can cook, serve, and enjoy whatever you've prepared. The set includes BPA-free bowls, a spoon, and a tiny wooden spatula for flipping, seasoning, and browning your food to perfection. Equipped with everything a scout, hunter, hiker, or outdoor explorer needs, this cook set allows you to enjoy hot and delicious meals without the hassle of searching for temporary plates. Compact and lightweight enough to fit into a backpack, survival bag, hiking pack, or bug-out bag, this camping mess kit is designed for convenience. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and transport. At just $19, this comprehensive and convenient cookware set is an affordable solution that won't compromise the quality of your outdoor meals. Invest in this practical tool to enhance your camping and outdoor dining experiences. Offering maximum protection and versatility, this balaclava is designed to shield you from a range of elements, including UV rays, wind, dust, sub-zero temperatures, snow, sleet, rain, and more. Wear it as a full face mask, an open balaclava, a one-half ski mask, or a neckerchief for ultimate comfort in any situation. Whether you're engaging in outdoor pursuits like motorcycling, cycling, mountain climbing, hiking, or simply enjoying the cold weather, this balaclava ensures you stay comfortable and protected. With its versatile design and durable construction, this balaclava is a must-have accessory for anyone who spends time outdoors. Experience the ultimate sleep experience with the Vaverto Ventilated Gel Memory Foam Pillow. This revolutionary pillow features a breathable bamboo-derived viscose cover for a personalized and comfortable feel. Crafted to support your neck, shoulders, back, and head, the pillow alleviates aches and pains. The responsive and firm memory foam adapts seamlessly to your sleep position, moving with you while maintaining its shape for long-term use. Designed to cater to side, stomach, and back sleepers, our CertiPur US certified memory foam ensures high-quality standards, low VOCs, and is free of harmful substances. Experience peaceful sleep, as this pillow supports your neck, shoulders, and upper back, providing relief from discomfort. The soft and breathable bamboo-derived viscose cover enhances comfort and sleep quality by maximizing airflow. Upgrade your sleep sanctuary with the Vaverto Ventilated Gel Memory Foam Pillow for a luxurious and personalized night's sleep. In the unpredictable wilderness, your gear needs to be adaptable, providing safety, comfort, and potentially even life-saving capabilities. Introducing the Arcturus Heavy-Duty Survival Blanket, an all-weather, reusable emergency blanket that weighs in at just 1 pound. This versatile blanket is your reliable companion when you're out in the elements. Measuring a substantial 5 by 7 feet when fully deployed, it offers ample coverage for various applications. Its newly designed reinforced tie-down grommets serve as robust attachment point, ensuring the blanket can be securely fastened in place, especially when used as a shelter. The dual-layer design of this blanket features a rugged waterproof outer layer and an inner aluminum layer that reflects up to 90% of body heat. This combination provides exceptional warmth and protection against the element. With the Arcturus Heavy-Duty Survival Blanket, you can rest assured that you're prepared for any situation. Its lightweight design, durability, and versatility make it an essential item for any outdoor enthusiast. Forget those bulky multi-tools. The Livergear Edge XT is a sleek, pocket-sized powerhouse that packs a punch. With its retractable utility blade and 10 essential functions, it's the ultimate do-it-all tool for your daily adventures. Its slim design and comfortable grip make it easy to carry and use, while the locking thumb slider ensures safe and quick blade deployment. Plus, the safety lock switch prevents accidental opening, so you can carry it confidently without worrying about your pocket. From opening boxes to tightening screws, the Edge XT has you covered. With its quick box opener, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, flathead screwdriver, pry bar, metric ruler, and hex bit holder, you'll be prepared for any situation. So whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who likes to be prepared, the Livergear Edge XT is the must-have multi-tool that's always ready when you need it.